Okay, done. Okay, means today today we are going to learn about Angular. Okay, file structure. This is the file structure of Angular project. So for in every means in each file, what is there, we are going to look into it. Okay. So first of all, means package.json file is there, angular.json file is there. Okay, and gitignore file is there. There are so many files out there. Means if you want to create some Angular project, then they will be having some file structure to it. So first the main file is package.json. Okay. So in this project you can find there is a package.json file is there, angular.json file is there, and first of all that Angular project is a single page application project. Okay, it is a single page application project. A single page application project means it is going to have only index.html project, nothing else. Means there will be only one HTML page. Yeah, that is index.html page. Okay, this is the page. So here what we have only header tag, body tag, basic HTML page, and also we have some link. And these are the style sheets which are linked to this page. Okay, and everything else is like a component here in there. So for Angular project, we are going to have only a single page application. That is nothing but index.html. Okay, so first is package.json page. Okay, in package.json page only we are going to configure everything, like what are the dependencies we want and how the application should execute, what is the configuration of the application we are going to mention in this file only, package.json. So in package.json file we have, see, if you want to use Angular framework you have to add some dependencies. So in this page, package.json page, we are adding all the dependencies here. See, these are the dependencies. Dependencies are nothing but libraries. Okay, it is needed when our application going to run. So this is the library we have added. If you want to use Angular framework, compulsory we have to add this all the dependencies in package.json. So these are all the dependencies. Okay, so then like that there are so many dependencies. Also we are mentioning their version numbers here. This is the version number 16. This Angular 16 we are using here. Okay, next we have angular.json page. So here also we are going to configure the application related things. We are going to configure application related things in angular.json. In
Production.
So in Angular, what we are going to configure? We are going to configure only the application related things in this file. Here what we have done, index is equal to index.html, and this is output. Output means once the application is developed, then dist folder means the final build will be in this path. It is going to generate in this path. This is the index page from where the application will start. This is the TS page. TS is nothing but TypeScript. In Angular, they are using instead of JavaScript, they are using a TypeScript language. So because of that reason, they have configured main.ts. So these are the two main important files in Angular. From here only the application will start. Writing JavaScript means not JavaScript, TypeScript related code we are using main.ts file, and writing the HTML code we are using a HTML page. And also the means assets are nothing but we are going to put images, any resource are we are going to put in this folders. This is for five icons, nothing but putting a logo icon for application. And asset is for if we are using any images in our application, then we are going to put all that thing in, all that stuff in this asset folder. So you can find here. This is the icon. Okay. For application, this is the icon for application. And one more thing, what asset folder. Okay, this is the asset folder. So all images, if we are adding any images in our application, if you are using any images in our application, then we are going to keep in this asset folder. Okay. Mm, okay, done. And this gitignore means this file is related to if we want means for check-in. This is a check-in and check-out purpose. If you want to ignore some of the folders or some of the files, not to check when we are checking the code using it, then we are going to keep that folder names in here so that it won't be copied in the repository. Okay, got it. In GitHub repository. So this file is that purpose. And one more thing. So here we have a application dot means app.model.ts file. From here, this is the main module of our project. I mean Angular project. This is the main module of the Angular project. Okay. From here, means every Angular project will have one main module, and that is this is that main module here. And this is the main component of the Angular. Means if you are creating any Angular project, there will be compulsory going to have these two files. One is app.module.ts file. This is used for modules, main module, and this is the main component. Okay, and this is for testing purpose. This file is for the testing purpose. If you want to write some test cases, then we are going to use this file. Component.epic.ts file. Okay. Here we have this is the main component. And here you can see that app enrollment. This is the main component of an application. Same like how we are using HTML tags, H1 tag, H2 tag. So this is a user defined means custom tag. Just this is a custom tag. Okay, and this is the style sheet, and this is the routing. For this file is used for the routing purpose. Means this is the routing module. So if we have any routing in our application, then we are going to use this. Okay. That's it. One more thing about this is Okay, this is the app.module.ts. So in this component, we are going to bind all HTML and CSS file with our Angular class. Means this is the class. Okay, for this class, what we are doing here, we have used a we have used here a decorative component decorative. In this component decorative is what we have a selector, template URL, and style sheet. Okay, so here we are binding our HTML page with a class by using a component decorator. Okay, here we have a CSS file and HTML page. So like that we have to bind HTML page and style sheet with a class. Means here the class name is app component. Okay, now for our for this component we have given a name as app root. So this is the selector. This selector is the name of a tag, means custom tag. So where we are using this custom tag now, you can check in 1 second. You can check in the HTML page here. See, same like body tag. How we have used body tag here. Here we have created our custom tag like app hyphen root, and we have used. So whatever thing is there in this, means whatever design or template we have done there, automatically it will be showing here.
Browser.
This is the custom tag for this component. For this component. Okay. Any dots? Jagan, any dot?
12:30.
No, sir.
Okay, done. Anyway, we will stop the video here. So this is the basic thing, means you should be knowing about it. Okay, done.